Hi clarinets, welcome back. On today's video, it's Accent Book page 29, Accent Book 2 page 29. And in the upper left-hand corner is eighth note triplets. Triplets, or one triplet, two triplet, three triplet, four triplet. Triplets represent fitting three notes in the space of where two of those notes would normally fit. Triplets. In this case, it's three eighth note triplets fit into one beat. Also, on this page in the upper center portion, we've got an alternate E fingering and the fingering guide. So we need our thumb, 3 fingers on top, left hand, 3 fingers on bottom, right hand, and then the furthest key of the lower ledge. And then the alternate B fingering as well, which is those very same fingerings, but we add our register key to get B. Lastly, a grace note is a quick note played just before the beat, like this. And we'll use that down at number 105. But first, let's start with those triplets. Number 102, 3 to the beat. 3 eighth note triplets in one beat. I've got my metronome set at 70 beats per minute, and we're in 4/4 time with the first note G. 1, triplet, 3, 4. 1, triplet, ready, play. Now that triplet is an evenly spaced set of 3 notes. Let's have some more practice with our triplets with the next one, number 103, a triplet song. And this is a French folk song. It's got F sharp and C sharp. So you'll notice we need to play D, 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 and then C sharp, C sharp, C sharp using our right pinky. So find your right pinky and put it on your C sharp key, which is the first note or the first key on the lower ledge next to your third finger. That will allow you to play B, C sharp, D. 1, 2, 1 triplet, 2 triplet, ready, go. Let's do that again. 1, 2, ready, and go. Remember, at any time you can pause, practice, rewind, and review all of these exercises as you need to show yourself the progress you're making. Number 104, the finale from New World Symphony. This piece is in common time, 4/4 time, and it is with a B flat, key signature of B flat, and E flat, which is a key signature of B flat major. So we'll need to use our high B flat in the first measure. Remember, high B flat's fingering is to and side with the thumb and register key. If you need to, check a fingering guide for high B flat. We'll play from the beginning to the end of the second line. We'll repeat those last 4 measures, and then we'll D, C, al fine. Go back to the beginning and play to la fine. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. How did you do on the New World Symphony finale? Quite an exciting piece by Antonin Dvorak. Next, we'll move to a piece by Rimsky-Korsakov. It's the Procession of the Nobles. This piece looks a lot trickier than it might seem because it has all of the ink from all of those 8th and 16th notes. And a lot of students will look at that and say, I can't do that. But yes, you can, by just employing the knowledge you already have. Remember that an 8th and 2/16, like the very first pattern, is one anda, or the blueberry syllabled word. Also, when you see 4/16 notes, like in measure 3, you've got the Mississippi 16th, one E anda. When you see 2/8 and a 16th, that's the apple pie rhythm. And finally, the dotted 8th and 16th is our Humpty Dumpty rhythm. So play along with me to the Procession of the Nobles. This piece is in 3/4 time and has B flat. 1 and a 2 and 3 and 1, a 2 and 3. 1, 2, ready, begin. And there was our grace note at the end, that quick note. Our last exercise is 106, accent on clarinet. You'll see that it uses our alternate E and alternate B fingerings that are at the top of our page in our yellow box. Go ahead and put your fingers ready in the low E finger, and let's get ready to play number 106. Those R's and L's stand for our right and left pinky. 1 and 2 and ready, go. One more time. 1 and 2 and right and E. You may need to pause and practice that one on your own for the right and left. Use a fingering guide as you need to. Until I see you next time, keep practicing.